Cocoa butter is a type of vegetable fat that comes from cocoa beans. Manufacturers extract creamy cocoa butter from the beans by fermenting, drying, roasting, and then pressing them. They turn the remaining portion into cocoa powder. Cocoa butter is a common active ingredient in lotions, creams, and lip balms. According to some historical sources, people have been consuming or using cocoa in other ways since 460 AD. In more recent times, researchers have found that cocoa has several healthful properties, in which we state. First of all, it boosts skin health. Many skincare products contain cocoa butter, including moisturizers and anti-aging creams. These products claim to have several benefits for skin health, such as alleviating dry skin and improving skin elasticity. It moisturizing the skin too. Like other natural moisturizers, such as coconut oil, cocoa butter is mostly made up of fatty acids. These fats may help form a protective layer on the skin, preventing moisture from escaping, and therefore stopping the skin from drying out. Also, it's an antioxidant powerhouse. Cocoa butter is high in antioxidants, which help fight off free radical damage to the skin. Free radicals can cause skin aging, dark patches, and dull skin. Cocoa butter is also an anti-inflammatory, just another way it helps your skin withstand the passage of time. It has hair benefits as well. Unrefined cocoa butter happens to work very well at deeply moisturizing your scalp. As dandruff is caused from your scalp being dry, this butter can work wonders to get rid of those flakes for good. So, how to use it? The recommended way to melt cocoa butter is using the double boiler method. Place the butter inside a heat-safe glass bowl on top of a large pot. Fill that pot with water and bring it to a simmer. As the water heats up, it'll gently begin to melt the cocoa butter. Stir with a spatula so it evenly melts. Ensure it is slightly cooled before applying it to your skin or body. Allow it to cool slightly before incorporating it into your hair or onto your skin. Last but not least, the side effects of cocoa butter. Caution should be exercised if you're acne prone, as this can clog pores. Dr. Mudgel says don't put it on your face if you break out. Also, it does not magically prevent or treat stretch marks, so be careful using it.